Most homeowners wait until something breaks before they fix it, but by then, you are usually looking at a massive repair bill that could have been easily avoided. One of the most expensive hidden disasters is a neglected water heater, which should be flushed once a year to remove sediment that eventually destroys the tank. Failing to clean your gutters twice a year can lead to foundation cracks and basement flooding that often costs over $10,000 to professionally repair. You must inspect your attic and crawl space for signs of moisture or pests at least every 6 months to catch small leaks before they turn into structural rot. Changing your HVAC filters every 90 days is the simplest way to prevent a total system failure that can cost you nearly $8,000 to replace. Checking the caulking around your windows and doors every spring will keep water from seeping into your walls and causing hidden mold growth. Ensuring your clothes dryer vent is cleaned out annually not only improves efficiency, but also prevents one of the leading causes of devastating house fires. Visit homebuyingrealty.com to download our seasonal maintenance calendar and start protecting your home's value without breaking the bank.